Till 2010, Mandrad-Ettumanu bypass road was just a road in rural Kerala. The roadsides were covered with weeds and waste. Cleaning repeated several times but went unsuccessful. Then TICE, in collaboration with MAB Residents Association, suggested an innovative idea to transform the roadside into a beautiful evening destination. With community support, benches, educational boards, solar lamps, and traditional food stalls have been installed. Thus, the project Nalumanikattu, meaning evening breeze, began. Later, several new attractions were added, including Natijanda, the farmers' market, organic farming initiative called Krishikootam, traditional farm equipments for enjoyment and physical exercise, time pass evening book lending library, native plant gardens by school children, swings, and an open stage for regular staging of traditional art forms, folk dances, martial arts, and dramas. Novel competitions such as castnet competitions for conserving traditional knowledge on fishing, traditional cookery contests for conserving ethnic food diversity, and wildflower show for conserving local biodiversity are conducted. All cultural festivals of Kerala are celebrated here with full community participation. Educational programs such as seminars, street plays on women empowerment, anti-drug campaigns are also carried out regularly. Additionally, the project site is now a popular venue for jogging, local and state-level sports events. Yes, Nalumanikattu is now an excellent model for a sustainable and responsible tourism.
നാലുമണിക്കാറ്റിലെത്തിയാൽ നമ്മൾ നിശബ്ദരാകണം താരങ്ങളെപ്പോലെ. പക്ഷികൾ, ചീവീട്, കാറ്റ്, കായൽപ്പുറം, കുറ്റിയിൽ കെട്ടിയ പാട്ട്, പയ്യൻ കണ്ണ്, താനേ മറിഞ്ഞ മരത്തെ ബെഞ്ചാക്കിയ ചാറ്റം മഴയിൽ നനഞ്ഞ മനുഷ്യരും, ആരും വിതയ്ക്കാതെ തന്നെ പുഞ്ചപ്പാടമാകെ മുളച്ചു വളർന്ന പുൽക്കാടുകൾ, ഏറിപ്പടർന്നു വിടർന്ന പൂമേടുമായി നമ്മളെ കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്നു മാനത്തേക്ക്, പിന്നെ തിരികെ എത്തിക്കുന്നു കാറ്റിൻ്റെ വർണ്ണരഥങ്ങളിൽ വിസ്മയാധീനരായി.